Welcome to Enovian Foods. Today I'm making a silky coffee pudding. Rich, creamy and full of deep coffee flavor. A no-bake dessert that's perfect for coffee lovers and easy to prepare at home. Let's start the recipe. First, make the coffee mixture. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons instant coffee powder and 1/4 cup water. Mix well and keep aside. Instant coffee dissolves faster than brewed coffee. Coffee pudding is popular in cafe-style dessert menus. In another bowl, add 1/4 cup corn flour and 1/3 cup water. Mix well until smooth and lump-free. Corn flour gives pudding its smooth jelly-like texture. In a pan, add 2 cups of milk. Keep stirring and let the milk come to a boil. Add the prepared coffee mixture to the boiling milk and mix well. Now add the corn flour mixture slowly. Add corn flour mixture slowly while mixing, stirring continuously. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes until the mixture thickens and becomes glossy. Stir continuously to avoid lumps. Cook until the mixture coats the spoon. Pour the hot pudding into a 7-inch mold. Let it cool completely, then refrigerate for 2 hours. Spread chocolate chips on top. Chilled pudding tastes richer than warm pudding. Coffee provides natural energy boost. Milk adds calcium and protein. Homemade pudding avoids artificial thickeners. Controlled sweetness makes it lighter than bakery dessert. Your coffee pudding is smooth, creamy, and perfectly set. Serve it chilled after meals or as a tea time dessert. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Innovent Foods for more cafe-style desserts at home.